everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Today I've got another box opening, so I'm gonna tear into this. This was also a wheel spin watch from Watchgang's Wheel of Watches, except for it's not actually a watch. So I had enough points to spin the lowest tier on the wheel spin. And there was no cheap watches that really interested me on that one. So I decided to spin for a couple straps. Shop TikTok. Share and win. So I'm guessing these are, let's see, they came from TikTok. Italian leather, anti-allergenic bandini. All right, so I got these two straps. They would have been equivalent, the points would have been equivalent to about $50. Not sure if I think these were worth that, but you always have the ability to win a little bit higher tier level watch when you spin tier 1. And there just wasn't anything on there that I wanted. But these are pretty nice. I wish they were quick release like some of the other straps I've showed you guys, because that makes it just so much nicer doing swaps when they're quick release. Not too bad. They are logoed. My camera will focus there. Maybe, maybe not. Wow, I give up. There we go. Bandini logoed on the buckle. You know, overall not too bad. Of course, I was hoping for something a little bit different, and these will give me some options to play around with. So maybe when I do a follow-up review of these, I will pick out a couple watches I can do some swaps on or swap these onto. It probably won't be multiple watches, seeing as these aren't quick release, so that slows down the swapping process for sure. So like I said, these ones probably would have cost me about $50 if I had bought the points, but I actually had points built up and was able to spin these. And I was able to spin for that Boulder GMT Space Chimp. So if you want to see a little bit more on this, the box opening, stay tuned for some reviews on these. And also, guys, you know what? Stay tuned. I will be doing a giveaway pretty soon here. I think I've got a couple watches we're going to give away. All right. So let me know what you guys think of these straps. I think they're pretty nice. I'll let you know after I get them on something and get to wear them. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. As always, guys, thanks for watching.